The Hoover Dam took just 4.5 years to build. How long have you been working on your idea for a product or a business? Hey, it's Don Skaggs with Empowered Inventing TV. I am at the Hoover Dam. Little field trip. Did you know that the Hoover Dam was built, they started construction on it in 1931. They finished construction on it in 1935, just 4 years. Amazing innovations. Got to learn all about it today. That when they had a problem, they figured out how to fix it, and they came up with new ways to do that in order to fix it. Now, my question to you is, if they built this amazing structure in just 4.5 years, how long have you been working on your idea for a product or a business? Has it been that long? Has it been longer? They did this in 4 years, guys. You can do it, and what it takes is innovation and dedication and diligence and having a plan. So anyway, I'm Don Skaggs, Empowered Inventing TV. Like and subscribe, help us to build our tribe, and I will see you from another location later or on the next video.